Craving an adventure that ignites your spirit of independence and sets your soul ablaze with excitement? Look no further than Macao, a radiant jewel where the harmonious blend of Eastern and Western cultures creates an enchanting symphony of experiences that will leave you spellbound.
Macao, a former Portuguese colony that returned to Chinese rule in 1999, boasts a unique blend of cultures and influences, reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and even its beauty scene. Macao is an autonomous territory on the southern coast of China. It is located on the western side of the Pearl River Delta, bordering Guangdong Province to the north and facing the South China Sea to the east and south. Macao consists of the Macao Peninsula and two islands, Taipa and Kowloon, which are connected by bridges. It is situated approximately 64 kilometers, 40 miles, west of Hong Kong, making it easily accessible from the latter by ferry or other means of transportation. As a solo traveler, Macao extends a warm and inviting embrace, making it effortless for you to explore its wonders. With English widely spoken and a reputation for safety with its low crime rate, you can navigate the city's labyrinthine streets with confidence, allowing yourself to fully immerse in its vibrant atmosphere. Prepare to embark on a culinary odyssey unlike any other as you indulge in the tantalizing fusion of Portuguese and Cantonese flavors that define Macanese cuisine. From the irresistible aromas wafting from bustling street food stalls to the refined elegance of Michelin-starred restaurants, every bite tells a story of cultural exchange and culinary mastery. Feeling lucky? Test your fortune in the opulent casinos that dot the skyline, each a dazzling architectural marvel in its own right. From the grandeur of the Venetian Macao to the intimate charm of smaller gaming establishments, Macao offers world-class entertainment and luxurious accommodations that cater to every whim and desire. Embrace the camaraderie of fellow adventurers as you join solo-friendly walking tours or participate in group activities, where shared experiences and newfound friendships await. Rest assured, navigating Macao is a breeze with the convenience of the Macao Pass, providing discounted entry to attractions and complimentary rides on the efficient public transport system. And with offline maps and translation apps at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to explore with ease. Must-see sites. First, Historic Center. The Historic Center of Macao is a UNESCO World Heritage listed marvel, showcasing a captivating blend of Portuguese and Chinese architecture. At its heart stands the iconic ruins of St. Paul's Cathedral, a hauntingly beautiful testament to the region's Catholic heritage, adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures. Nearby, Senado Square buzzes with vibrant energy, offering a lively hub of street performers and local vendors amidst colonial buildings and cobblestone streets. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Macao's cultural heritage, where every corner reveals a new layer of history waiting to be explored. Second, Ama Temple. Experience the essence of Macao's rich cultural heritage at the Ama Temple, a sacred site revered as the oldest and most significant Taoist temple in the city. Nestled amidst the bustling streets, this architectural gem invites visitors to immerse themselves in centuries-old traditions and spiritual practices. Admire the temple's intricate carvings and ornate decorations, each a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of generations past. As you wander through its hallowed halls and tranquil courtyards, feel a sense of serenity wash over you, offering a glimpse into the deep-rooted spiritual beliefs that have shaped the local community for centuries. A visit to the Ama Temple is not just a sightseeing excursion but a profound journey into the heart of Macao's cultural identity. Third, Macao Tower. For an exhilarating adventure in Macao, make your way to the iconic Macao Tower, standing tall as the 7th highest freestanding tower globally. Ascend to the tower's observation deck for a bird's-eye view of the city's stunning skyline, offering breathtaking panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Alternatively, if you're seeking an adrenaline rush, take the plunge with the world-famous bungee jump from the tower's dizzying height or embark on a thrilling skywalk around the tower's outer rim. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a sightseeing enthusiast, a visit to the Macao Tower promises an unforgettable experience high above the bustling streets below. Fourth, Taipa Village. Find respite from the urban hustle and bustle in the serene charm of Taipa Village. Meander along its picturesque pastel-colored streets, where every corner reveals a delightful blend of tradition and modernity. Explore quaint shops brimming with local crafts, cozy cafes serving up delectable treats, and art galleries showcasing the talents of Macao's creative community. Immerse yourself in the village's unique atmosphere, where time seems to slow down, and the stresses of the city melt away. Whether you're indulging in a leisurely stroll or sampling the flavors of authentic Macanese cuisine, Taipa Village offers a tranquil escape that promises to enchant and delight at every turn. Macao awaits you, solo travelers. With its captivating blend of history, culture, and excitement, this vibrant city promises an unforgettable adventure. So, pack your bags, embrace the solo spirit, and get ready to discover the magic of Macao.
Hi, do you want to learn incredible tips, comprehensive travel guide and ignite the travel spirit within you? Head over to Cashflow Academia to enroll in our courses and embark on a journey of knowledge and exploration. Don't just travel, travel smart. Enroll today and let's make your next adventure extraordinary. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.